Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see a ledger. A general ledger is the central record-keeping system for all your company's financial data. It systematically organizes every transaction into specific accounts, such as assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. This comprehensive record is absolutely crucial, as it provides the foundational information needed to prepare vital financial statements like the balance sheet and income statement, offering a clear picture of your business's financial health. To access your ledger, first locate your accounting software or the physical book where your financial records are kept. Once open, begin by reviewing the chart of accounts, which is a structured list of all accounts used by your business. This chart provides a roadmap, helping you understand how different financial categories are organized. You will find transactions listed chronologically, with the most recent entries usually appearing at the bottom, making it easy to follow the flow of financial activity. Every entry in the general ledger provides specific details about a transaction. You will see the date it occurred, a brief description, the affected account title, and the corresponding debit and credit amounts. Remember, accounting uses a double entry system, meaning every transaction impacts at least two accounts with equal and opposite entries. Debits are always recorded on the left side of an account, while credits are recorded on the right side, ensuring your books remain balanced. Once you understand the entries, you can begin analyzing your financial data. Monitor the running balances of each account to track financial health and spot trends over time. Carefully review all entries to identify any patterns, potential errors, or inconsistencies that might require further investigation. The general ledger is an invaluable tool for preparing accurate financial statements and provides the critical insights needed to make sound, data-driven decisions for your business's future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.